Machine learning encompasses a plethora of techniques, from the simplest least squares regression and nearest neighbours classification models to huge and complicated generative models like GPT-3 and StyleGAN, capable of writing at least superficially convincing text and hallucinating images of non-existent people doing non-existent things in non-existent places. Some of these things require painstakingly labelled data, others learn distributions from large quantities of unlabelled data. Still others can explore simulated environments and probe how they behave. In this module, we have really only scratched the surface of what machine learning encompasses and what it may be capable of. But hopefully this will give you enough to whet your appetite for further discovery and application of what you've learned, and give you a toehold, a base, a foundation on which to build in future. Machine learning applications saturate our lives and they increasingly mediate our interactions with the world. They give us the tools to navigate an increasingly unwieldy information landscape, and they also give others tools to interrogate and manipulate our interactions with that world of data. Both of these are tendencies that are only going to increase. So understanding machine learning is a useful tool for helping to understand our own place in the world and how the world is affecting us. So I hope that you have enjoyed this module. I hope that you have found something interesting and informative in it, and I hope that you'll find ways to use your machine learning knowledge productively. The rest is up to you. I bid you adieu.